Hello, today I am going to introduce you to the entire writing module of IELTS. We all know that IELTS comes in two different forms, general and academic, and writing is that module which is a bit different in both of them. Now the total time of writing is of 1 hour. Okay, so now I'll further tell you the bifurcations also. Now if you are giving the academic one, then there are two tasks, task 1 and task 2. Task 1 consists of report writing, which means you might be given a line graph, bar graph, pie chart, table, map, process, life cycle, or even the combination of any two of them. Now you are expected to write minimum 150 words in this section, and so it is expected that out of that 1 hour slot you should take just 20 minutes, because the rest 40 minutes you will need to write an essay, that is task 2. And in essay you are supposed to write minimum 250 words. Whereas if I talk about the general one, then in general again the time is same, and again there are two tasks. The task 1 is letter writing, and here also you are supposed to write at least minimum 150 words. Whereas the task 2 is essay, which again has 250 words minimum. Now what is this minimum word limit? Let me tell you guys. Many a times we have a tendency to miss few ideas, or we are just writing for the sake of writing or just to complete our work. So in that case, if you have written just one word less than 150 words or 250 words, you'll get penalized for this. And so you should never work at the lower limit. Yes, in IELTS there is no upper limit, right? So always have a target. If you're writing, whether you're writing a letter or you're writing a report, at least you should write 170 to 180 words. And if you're writing essay, then definitely you are growing towards 270 to 280 words. Now it is not it's I must say it's a myth that people think that first I should complete task 1 and then I should take task 2. Now it is not fixed. It's your choice. If you want to start essay writing first and then take the report writing, or if you are giving general then letter writing, it's your call completely. But I'll give you my personal suggestion that if you are completing the task 1 in the given time, then definitely you are very much relaxed, and I think that you will be more open with ideas to write the essay because one of your tasks is completed. Let me tell you how you are going to meet, or when you are going to meet this writing module in your exam. Now if you are giving the computer base, this module will say hi to you towards the end. It is the last module. Whereas if you are giving the paper base, then this is the first module that you will come across. Guys, now here I would like to give you a strong message that if you are your handwriting is not that legible, and at the same time if you are not fast enough in your typing, your typing speed is not reasonable, then you have to improve either of them. You don't have any chance. So from day 1, the day you start, you decide that I want to give IELTS. So from that day itself, if you are willing to give the paper base, start working on your handwriting. If you are willing to give the computer base, then start working on your speed. Because if you are giving paper base, if your letters are not clearly visible, apart from that, if your letters are not looking as they should look, for example your O is looking like A, your E is looking like O, so definitely you are going to lose your bands under spelling errors, means lexical resources. If I talk about computer based, if you don't have that speed of writing, at the end you won't have time to check your content, and because you are typing, there are chances that you might miss to hit any key, or you might miss to capitalize the first letter of a sentence, or you might miss to leave a space. So friends, you have to be very particular when you're practicing the writing module. So here guys, all the very best for your preparation.